Stocks closing lower today after this morning's jobs number, but it was another winning week for equities. Deborah Kostroun has the latest from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yeah, stocks lower today after that jobs report showed that we added fewer jobs in forecast. But look to the bright side. We started out the first trading week of 2011 with the major averages posting some gains for the week. The Dow and the S&P up about 1%. The Nasdaq up nearly 2% for the week. And this is the sixth week in a row that we have been seeing these gains in stocks. Remember, of course, we're coming off a very strong December where we saw the S&P up 6.5%. And of course, when the market was down this week, traders kind of pointing to the fact that the S&P valuation is 16 times operating profits, and that is the most expensive level since June. But of course, today, a lot of the focus on that jobs number, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, all right, we do have some high valuations, but that did not prevent Goldman Sachs from raising their estimates for the S&P this year.
You know, that's right, Pimm. We've been talking about these very high estimates that so many strategists at many of the Wall Street firms have for the S&P. Goldman Sachs' David Kostroun saying that the S&P will hit 1,500 by the end of the year. Previously, he expected the S&P to be at 1,400. He also boosted his 2011 and 2012 earnings estimates, saying the reacceleration in the U.S. will drive sales growth. And just a quick mention as some of the things that we're looking for next week, we do kick off the earnings season. Alcoa will be reporting their fourth quarter results, so get ready for all of those earnings. Back to you in the studio, Pimm.
Look forward to it. All right, thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.